Hello, all. My name is Pavan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist towards Python programming, continuing our discussion related to tuples in Python programming. So let's see some more topics related to tuples. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do hit the like button and please do support to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. So this is the topic, guys, which we are going to discuss today, like tuples, minimum function, maximum function and summation function. Okay, sum function. So we have already discussed about the tuples concatenation, tuple slicing, tuple indexing, forward indexing and backward indexing, like that is negative indexing. Okay, so now in this particular video we'll see like how to perform what is min function, max function and summation function. Okay, so before that, like first we'll take an example of tuple. So I will give it as tuple what will give, I will give it as Pavan underscore tuple. Okay, so because every time taking tuple will make you get confused, I have given as tuple. Okay, so I have given Pavan underscore tuple. So we'll take an example of tuple. I will give it as 54, 69, 78, 2, 1, 34, and I will give it as 100. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, and now if we use this particular min function, now let's see like what will happen. Min of tuple underscore Pavan underscore tuple. So now let's try to run this particular cell. First we'll run this, then we'll run this. So what we get is 1, because 1 is the least number in this particular tuple. Okay, suppose if I use max and if I try to use Pavan underscore tuple, it will give the maximum number which is present in this particular tuple. Okay, and suppose if I want to perform summation of this entire tuple, what you can do is like you can use sum of function in which you will mention the tuple name. Okay, so the entire sum would be 338. So this is how the min, max and summation function works in tuple. So we will mention in comments min, max and summation function. Okay, so that's all about this particular video. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.